Yeah, it's your boy Wild Mac. About to take y'all to the hood on this one. So fresh, so clean, and I smell so good.
Hey, what it do, y'all? It's me, Wild Mac, with another review. This is a review on my tabletop furnace. This is a burnout furnace for my vestment castings. It's actually going right now. It's on the last hour. It's kind of the cool down process, so it's down at about 700 right now. And then I eventually cool it on down to 6 before I pull it out of there, drop it in my vacuum chamber, and pour my metal in it. But tabletop furnace, let's see what I have to say about this one. It's not programmable, and the programmable one is around the same price. So with that being said, and I haven't had a programmable one before, I'm gonna say I gotta take off at least half a star, because this could have been programmable for the same price, but it's not. But aside from that, it's been working wonders for me. It does have the vent hole in it, and you know, I come out here and I have to adjust it myself, which is a pain in the ass. That's why I'm taking off for half a star. But the quality of it and the speed that it gets to the temperatures and all that stuff is excellent. So I can't drop it down too low. It's a great little unit. Locks up, open it back up, and put what I need in there and grab out. I had no other problems with it. Make sure this plug, when you plug it up, that it's not touching any of the metal around there, because it will burn. This thing does get hot, so if you're gonna touch it, make sure you got on you some heat protective gloves. And since it's not programmable and it don't do the cool off itself, once it's done, I always take the heat all the way down until it gets into the negative before I even open this thing up and try to take the flask out of there, because I don't want to get electrocuted, one, and you're not supposed to turn it off until it's actually cooled all the way out. So and aside from that, I think that's all I have. Like I keep telling y'all, I'm brand new at this, so everything I'm doing is, and all these words are coming from a beginner. So if you're looking into getting into this, just know that it's something simple that anybody can do. Alright, so this tabletop furnace here, I got to give it a rating of 4.5 stars. And I'm pretty sure y'all know why, because I explained it. But like I say, it still works great. Alright everybody, peace.